series of ideas for some tap warm-ups. I have put all the music in the description below so you can look up the same music if you like, but really any music is fine. For your beginners, they might like to do some of these warm-ups holding on to a bar, and for your more advanced students, you might like to start adding arms with the warm-ups, and also you could consider putting some of these into small, simple dance amalgamations or simple routines that are repeatable. Warm-up 5, this can be added to warm-up 4 or indeed any of the warm-ups. Of course, all warm-ups can be put together for a simple dance. Don't repeat, therefore, if you're doing that, each warm-up more than 2 times. So this one is step back, pick up, hop, toe hop, ripple. And as I've said to you, if you want to see how to do any of these steps, look below in the links where all these steps are in separate videos. So we'll do that one again. Step, pick up, hop, toe hop, ripple. Step, pick up, hop, toe hop, ripple. Step, pick up, hop, toe hop, ripple. Let's try with some music. Now let's put 4 and 5 together. Warm-up 6 you can make in any combinations. First of all, we'll make 3 tap steps and a pause, 3 tap steps and a pause, 8 tap springs. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Then we can do that with the tap steps going backwards and forwards. Back, 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 forward, forward, forward. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Don't forget you can do things such as turning the 8 tap springs. Then we're going to do the tap steps as pas de bourrée. Side, behind, in front. Side, behind, in front. And then instead of just the tap springs this time, we do tap spring toe hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we only want 4 of those to fit with the music. And then finally we do shuffle, hop steps coming over. And the tap spring shuffle digs this time. Tap spring shuffle dig, tap spring shuffle dig, tap spring shuffle dig, tap spring shuffle dig. Again, only 4 of those to fit with the timing. Let's have a go with some music. Now let's do warm-up 7. These are in no order, they're just numbered, so if you want to ask me a question about them, you can tell me the number warm-up you're talking about. And this, of course, can be added to the previous one or other ones, but I'm keeping short, simple ones added in so that if you have beginners or slower movers, these will suit them. So 3 brush hops and a brush spring. Brush hop, brush hop, brush hop, brush spring, brush hop, brush hop, brush hop, brush spring. That's all there is to that one, but it can be energetic for those that are not competent dancers or beginners. forget, if you have older students, adult beginners perhaps, you might like to do some of these on the bar. Pick up, toe, toe, step, pick up, toe, step, pick up, toe, step, pick up, toe, toe, step, pick up, toe, step, pick up, toe, step. The other way. Pick up,